Certainly. Here are 20 Python interview questions along with their answers. 1. What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose programming language known for its readability and versatility. 2. Explain the difference between a list and a tuple. Lists are mutable while tuples are immutable. Lists are defined with square brackets, and tuples use parentheses. 3. What is PEP? 8. PEPI 8 is the style guide for Python code, providing recommendations on formatting and coding conventions. 4. What is the purpose of the init method in Python classes? Init.keygar is a special method in Python classes used for initializing object attributes. It is executed when an object is created. 5. Explain the concept of a generator in Python. A generator is a special type of iterator in Python that allows you to iterate over a potentially large sequence of data efficiently, generating values on the fly. 6. What is the Global Interpreter Lock? GIL. The GL is a mutex in CPython that protects access to Python objects, preventing multiple native threads from executing Python bytecodes at once. 7. How does exception handling work in Python? Exception handling is done using try, except, else, and finally blocks. Code in the try block is executed, and if an exception occurs, the corresponding except block is executed. 8. Explain the difference between chakras and is in Python. Pra checks for equality of values, while is checks for object identity, i.e., whether two variables refer to the same object in memory. 9. What is the purpose of virtual environments in Python? Virtual environments are used to create isolated Python environments, allowing project-specific dependencies without interfering with the system-wide Python installation. 10. How can you handle multiple exceptions in a single except block? Multiple exceptions can be handled by providing a tuple of exception types in the except block, like except, exception type 1, exception type 2. 11. What is the purpose of the operator method in Python? The operator method is used to define the informal or user-friendly string representation of an object and is called by the state.id function. 12. Explain the concept of list comprehensions in Python. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists. They consist of an expression followed by a for loop inside square brackets. 13. How can you read a file in Python? You can read a file using the opened function and then using methods like read, readline, or readlines to access the file content. 14. What is the purpose of the if, name, main statement? It is used to check whether the Python script is being run as the main program or if it is being imported as a module into another script. 15. Explain the purpose of the zip function in Python. The zip function is used to combine two or more iterables element-wise, creating tuples of corresponding elements. 16. How do you handle file exceptions in Python? File exceptions can be handled using try, except blocks. Common file-related exceptions include file not found error and permission error. 17. What is the purpose of the pass statement in Python? Passes is a no operation statement. It is used as a placeholder where syntactically some code is required, but no action is desired or necessary. 18. Explain the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. Shallow copy creates a new object, but does not create copies of nested objects. Deep copy creates a new object and recursively copies all objects found in the original. 19. What are lambda functions in Python? Lambda functions, or anonymous functions, are small, one-line functions defined using the lambda keyword. They are often used for short, simple operations. 20. How do you install external packages in Python? External packages can be installed using the pip package manager. For example, pip install package name installs the specified package. These questions cover a range of Python concepts and should provide a good foundation for interview preparation.